So, I heard what you said about Wayne and all of that.
Amber, this would figure it.
I know, but I really want you to know it's nothing there. I don't want to be held in bondage of my past. So I was really just having a good time. It was nice to laugh. And I'm sorry if I laughed too hard.
Mm-hmm.
And I also wanted you to know that the whole thing about Shayla earlier, I wasn't trying to punk you when I was telling you, not to buy her house and stuff like that. I know I can be a little maybe controlling and hands-on, but I would never want to punk you, okay? I trust you and your leadership, and you are the head of this house, and I respect that. I just wanted to let you know how I felt about the matter.
I appreciate you, saying those words. But Amber, I don't get punked. I don't punk, but I damn sure don't get punked. So, but I appreciate you. I appreciate your apology, a little monologue that you just gave me. I appreciate it. And I appreciate these puffs that you have. Wow. So Wayne can talk about your sleeves, but I can't. That's wild.
Whatever, Anthony.
That's wild. I mean, you got these Tina Turner puffs.
Oh, Tina Turner.
Tina Turner.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Them big wheels keep on turning.
Okay, you think you're funny.
Proud Mary keep on burning.
Burning.
And we're rolling.
Rolling.
Rolling, yeah.
Rolling.
Rolling on the river. Said rolling.
Rolling.
Rolling, yeah.
Rolling.
Rolling on the river. Rolling on the river.
Funny they should use the Ike and Tina rolling on the river inside this skit. I told y'all the last skit, he got some abusive tendencies. Tina, that wasn't funny. Well, she comes back and she tells him how she wasn't trying to punk him. And he's like, I don't get punk. Yeah, I don't get punked. So I appreciate you coming here and apologizing, but I don't get punked. Oh, I'm telling y'all, something about his demeanor is still screaming Ike Turner. Eat the cake, anime, eat the cake. And yeah. And so basically she's telling him she heard him and she respects him and she's not trying to put him out there when it comes to Wayne and or Shayla. She respects the man who he is, and she was just trying to make light of things, I guess, in so many words. But it was his demeanor. He changed it at the end when he did the whole rolling on the river, and they started rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. And remember on that scene I Can Tina Turner when they was doing Rolling on the River, she had just got beat down, but baby did a performance out of this world. Well, I left a big job in the city. Working for the man every night and day. But I never lost 1 minute of sleep. Worried about the way things might have been. Okay, Anthony and Amber. I still like the playful side of them. That was cute though. That was cute at the end. But be careful, Amber. Be careful with this one. Something tells me something is up with him. I just can't shake the feeling, y'all. I just can't shake the feeling. Something is up with Anthony. Little ankle knee, aka Ike Turner. Lord, go ahead and drop y'all comments. Put them down below. As always, be your brothers and your sisters keeper. Keep God first. And toodles.
Yeah.
Rolling
On the river. Said rolling,
rolling,
rolling, yeah.
rolling
Rolling on the river.